Hello plant lovers! Check out the YUJCHMTZN Metal Plant Stand, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. This 3-tier plant shelf holds more than 7 plants, making it ideal for organizing your green collection. Made from rust-resistant metal, it withstands weather without wobbling or falling apart like wooden stands. Each tier fits pots up to 8 inches and offers plenty of room for taller plants. The overall dimensions are 40 inches long, 32 inches wide, and 10 inches high, providing a sturdy display. Assembly is quick and easy with included hardware and clear instructions. Plus, it features a sleek black coating that adds a modern touch to any space. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.